YouTube. It is Buff the Wolf YouTube here. And today, I need to see in front of the camera for this intro, but gosh dang it. Today we're opening if I can get this right, 100, there's the camera, 100 Pokemon cards. Let's do it. Getting behind. This is recorded on my computer, is why it looks different. But here's the first pack. You can see it. And I'm gonna have to do it from the front and look at the reflected. You're wondering, there's a giant box behind me. It's a home. But just perch the camera back. Okay. First card. We have a Cosmog. It's got Dust Gathering, where you draw a card. First, this will be from newest sets. Pretty sure these are real. They're really tiny. But we have a Frogadier with Cut. I didn't show a good close-up of the Cosmog. There it is. The next card, it's going to take a while, is a... Ooh, this looks... Oh, this is an old card. Look at that Weedle. That art looks amazing. But that looks so old. It's got the Diamond Basic in the level. It's level 12. It's level 12. Wow. Okay, apparently I'm having sex now. They're over this side. Ooh, this is another old card. We have a level 13 Basic Magnemite with Thunder Wave and Self-Destruct. So it's gonna go there. But okay, next card. We have a old, I'm saying old because the art, old level 10 Doduo. I'm going to have them in stacks because guaranteed no duplicates. But next card, these are actually really tiny from the cards I'm used to, is a Crocona. Okay, that will start a new pile. So we have Frogadier. The other ones we have is Frogadier, Weedle, Magnemite, Doduo, Cosmog, and Crocona. The next card is Pukimiku with Inners Out and Continuous Tumble. That is cool. That'll go with the Cosmog. Sorry if I'm getting these in the wrong order. I'm not the Pokemon master of generations, but here we have a Caterpie. Looks very orange in my computer currently. That'll go in the Gen 1 section, I guess, which is with all the old cards will be in a separate section because they're special. Really special. Okay, the next card we have is an Eevee. Look how cute. And the next card is a Larvesta. I have no clue what that is from, so if I have no clue, it's going to go over there. My stack isn't very good right now. And the next card is a Zubat. I can't center with the darn camera. There you go. Zubat. Sorry for shaking a little bit. Go in the Eevee. Okay, next we have a Piplup. Is that how you say it? Piplup? Piplup? Is it Piplup? I'm not sure, but let's go in a separate section. The next card we have is a Tangela. And I love this. It looks really cool. Oh, this is different. The Tangela is purple. It's usually blue. Interesting. I heard from another, I'm being special. I heard from another Pokemon YouTuber, which I probably shall not name, that it's a rare card because it's purple. And here's a Togedemaru. I already have one of these, but it's cool to have another one. It's like my fourth one now. That'll go with the Pukimiku. Okay, the next card. Oh my god, I got a lot to go through. I probably should stop talking. It's a Herdier. I have no clue, so I'll go with the Larvesta. And the next card is a Seaking with Soaking Horn and Reckless Charge. We have a old Metapod level 21. Sorry if the colors are like way off. I have no control over it. But here's the next one. We have a Skidoo. Sorry if I pronounced them wrong. Oh, I got 2 cards that time. I guess I'll show. We have that's a full art. I think that's a full art Torchic. I'm pretty sure that's a full art Torchic. And we have a Rufflet. It's the second card. Full arts will go there, and I have no clue, so it's gonna go there. We have a Golbat. We have a Goldeen. We have an old Kakuna. I'm saying old because it looks really old compared to the ones we have now. Like, quick comparison, we're gonna have a Mewtwo comparing to this Kakuna card that we just got. Look how much difference there is. It's almost gold. Yeah, we'll put them back. Yeah, throw a pile. Next one we have is an Electrode. Is that the right one? Yeah, it's the right one. I want to that was the right one in case I can get a Voltorb named Electrode. But we have a Bibarel? I'm not sure. It evolved from Bidoof, so. The next one we have is a relatively old Hypno. Relatively, because it doesn't look like the other ones, but it's going in a separate old pile. But the next one we have is a Bryony. Is that how you pronounce it? Oh wait, this is a more relatively new card with amazing art, because I've never gotten an evolution. I am an idiot. But, okay, continuing. Okay, we have this Sewaro. I've never heard of it, but okay. I'll go with the Bidoof. We have a Kangaskhan. We have a Pick-a-Peck. I'm gonna put that in as that's Sun Moon. I think that's Sun Moon. Okay, next we have a Trophy. That's interesting. I still have only gotten 1 full art. Oh, there was a fighting type for a second. No, we have a Froakie. That'll go with the Frogadier. Oh, wait. Hey. You find similarly with the blah, 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 I can't talk today. The next one is a Trico. We have a Chinchou. That's my second Gen 2 I've gotten from this. Chinchou. Ooh. Fairly old Rattata. These cards have never been played, and apparently they came from New Jersey, and I thought they came from Florida, but okay. We have a Remoraid. We have a old Poliwag. Wait. Its lips are blue. Its lips are blue. They're supposed to be pink, right? Okay, anyway, moving on. Cards, there's so many of them. We have a Chespin. That goes to the Froakie. And we have a Starly. If I find anything wrong, just go and let me know. We have a puppy Pokemon Growlithe. Oh, it's so cute. Next one. We have a Moraine. I'm just going to put it there because I have no clue. And the next one is a Relicanth. Oh, God, I didn't pronounce that right, did I? I can't go into Google because I'm on my computer. We have a Grovyle. Profile. I'm very sorry about that. I mean, cards are not. What was that? Those started. Cards are not like stacked, and it's really annoying me. I should probably. We have a Zigzagoon. We have. It's letting me out. Wait, okay. Wait, what was this one? Oh, what are these open? Gen 1. Oh, I messed this up. This goes in Gen 1. Okay, I messed things up. Let's try this again. What's that? Wait, I didn't know where this goes. Why am I putting Meowth in the I don't know pile? Okay. 10 minutes on so far. We have a Vanillish. Very interesting and very cute. I keep spilling everything. Keep spilling everything. I still love this cute little Chick-fil-A. Next one. I know Large Card's gonna be funny. I'm sorry. We have, ooh, this is going out to Kyle. It's a Snivy. It's a Snivy. I'll tell you, this is for my friend Kyle because he loves Snivy. And if he's watching this, hi. He's got a Burmy and a Leaf Cloak, a Trash Cloak, and I forgot what the other one was, but they're all there. See this one? This one there. One there. One there. It's really hard to do this when it's in reverse, but you're going here. We have an Aipom. Got Aipoms with rainbows in the background. You go here. And we have the Ponyta. Beautiful. Okay. All down. Next one. And then I say in the back, there is the over-the-top trading code. That's mine. I think that's a code. Okay. These are sleeves. There's sleeves in them. Okay. So open it. This is our card trick. I'm not gonna try and do a card trick because I messed it up, and these are not in packs. But okay. These are the hollows and the reverse hollows. The first one we have is a reverse hollow Zekrom. Going in the reverse hollow section, and we have a old Raticate. Not shiny and but cool. We have a Rapidash. It's not a hollow. It's not a hollow. Don't freak out. We have a Snoutlet. These are the. Shedinja. And a reverse hollow Slowbro Spirit Link. Something on my keyboard. And that goes in the reverse hollow section. I need to stack these cards, but I have no clue what gem they go into. I probably need to stack them so they don't fall apart. I'm afraid I'm going to damage the cards and they're going to be like forever broken. But here's the, I don't remember, that's where the sleeve is. We have a reverse a reverse hollow old Haunter. That's going in That's going in the reverse hollow section. We have a reverse or full? Let me see. It's a reverse Shieldon. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. I'm not a Pokemon pronouncer. We have a Ladybug. We have, and the final one is a Swanna. And I think the one going in the sleeve they gave us, the person, is the old reverse hollow Haunter. Now, I'm going to wait. I'm going to the only sleeve I have yet. Okay. I'm going to take them all out. Blah. Didn't do the other one. Is this? This is enter the following codes for even more savings. Okay. This is stuff. I'm not showing you the code. Am I? It's not actually a code on it. It's thank you for your order. Entering the Not showing you guys that, but I might later. Okay, we have a old amber Aerodactyl. That'll be there. And we have a Dragonette. We have a Alolan Meowth. This is Alolan. Love it. We have a Boldore. It's just like we're going to Pokemon card. We have a Full Heal. We have a Clink. A Clink. We have a Pancham. How cute. I have this one as a fake card. You go there. I need to make sure all these don't fall over. But we have an Alolan Grimer. We have a Lucky Helmet. We have Bagon. We have a Snowball that wrecked the table. Just so calmly, just a Snowball wrecked the table. We have I didn't get to look at this one, but it's a Diglett. Aw, cute. No, that's not old, but that's really cute. The old ones have levels on them. That's really cute, and the art looks amazing on it. We have a potion. We have. This one's going out to my friend again. It's a Sandile. We have a old Machop. Blushing. It's kind of fat. We have a full art Tentacool. Accent. And we have a random receiver. We have. Aww, it's a Takumi. Takumi. We have an Alolan Raticate. An Alolan. We have a Passimian. Passimian? 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 We have a Fossil Researcher Trainer card. We have, wait, guaranteed no energies, but we have a Bronzor. We have Makuhita. A Swirlix. We have Dome Fossil Kabuto. We have a Dratini. An amazing looking Dratini. As they say. That is amazing. Put that in the pie. We have a Jigglypuff with a Snipe and a Spark in the background. How cute. We have a Sandygast. Ooh. A Sail Fossil. Yeah, I am. An Alolan Rattata. A Roggenrola. Ooh, a normal old Haunter. Reverse Holo Haunter and normal Burn Haunter. Cool. I didn't get another reverse holo. I just believe there's no duplicates. I'll put it on a second. Oh, neat. We have a Sparkling Robe. We have a Pharaoh Seed. We have a Granbull. Wait, I know what this does. We have a Raikou. We have a Latios Spirit Link. That's cool. We have a Carvana. We have a Nike. We have the last one is a Woobat. Okay. So what we got is, altogether, we got a reverse hollow Haunter, a reverse hollow Swanna, a reverse hollow Ladybug, a reverse hollow Shieldon, a reverse hollow Slowbro Spirit Link, and a reverse hollow Zekrom. That took a while to say. We have a full art Tentacool and a full art Torchic. A Piplup. Okay. Big stack of cards. I have no idea which generation it comes from. We have Piplup, Woobat, Parvana, Ferroseed, Raggenrola, Sandygast, Swirlix, Makuhita, Bronzor, Pessimian, Goomy, Bagon, Pancham, Clink, Ipom, Shedinja, Snoutbud, Barney, with Trash Cloak, Leaf Cloak, and whatever the other cloak is. We have Vanilla. We have Zigzagoon. We have Starly. We have a Grovyle. This is a big check. We have a Relicanus. We have a Moraine. We have a Trico. And a Sewaddle. Bedoro. Rufflet. Skidoo. Herdier. Larvesta. And back to Piplup. We have an Alolan Rattata. An Alolan Raticate. An Alolan Grimer. An Alolan Boldor. An Alolan Mew. Alolan Brioni. Pukimikyu. A Togedemaru. And a Cosmog. And we're back to the beginning. Back up. Oh, yeah. And a Picklehead. And for our old cards, we got a Haunter, a Machop, a Raticate, a Growlithe, a weird Poliwag with different colored lips, a Rattata, a Kakuna, a Metapod, a Weedle, a Magnemite, a Dojo, and we're back to Haunter. And for our items, we got a Latios Spirit Link, Sparkling Robe, Sail Fossil, Dumb Fossil Kabuto, Fossil Researcher, Random Receiver, Potion, Fucking Helmet, Potion, Old Amber Aerodactyl, and Latios Spirit Link. Whoop. I just showed you the code for like a brief second. We have the weird colored Tangela. We have a Chespin, a Froakie, and a Frogadier. We have We have a Mankey. We have a Mankey. We have a Rhyhorn. Jigglypuff. Dratini. it. Dragonair. Rapidash. Ponyta. Meowth. Hypno. Drowsy. Kangaskhan. Electrode. Goldeen. Golbat. Seaking. Zubat. Eevee. Caterpie. And Boxer We have a special purple Tangela. We have a Granbull. A Snubbull. Remoraid. Chinchou. And Croconaw. And back to Granbull. We had a full art short chicken tentacle. And we had Sandile and Snivy from my best friend. Now, what shall be in the sleeve, you may ask? I'm checking if there's any extra sleeves. In the sleeve. The Pokemon in the sleeve is a tie. Well, actually, I've got a better idea. I'm going to fit as many Pokemon cards as I can inside this sleeve with the full art Torchic in the front. Let's do it. Okay, and now goes in the reverse hollows. The small sections down to the biggest sections. Oh, those, right? We have the rare Tangela. It's going to go behind all the hollows. Because, yep, it's totally rare because it's wrong color. Tell me if I missed anything, if I pronounced anything wrong, if I missed a slip up that they did. In goes the chest pin and part of the Funky line. Gonna go ahead and just, keep it up a bit. So far we fit a lot into this. Then we're gonna put in the Gen 2 section. I guess I'll put it in one card at a time. So let it grow, let it grow, let it grow. So go. See it inside of it. Sorry, copyright issues. I can't cut that out because I have no clue how. Okay, we're fitting more and more cards into here. Slowly but surely, we're going to have a lot of my cards in this little tiny plastic clear sleeve. Wow, that took a lot of effort to fit in that one card. Can you fit 2 more? No, like 10 more cards? I don't know, can you? La 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 la. You're gonna have to watch as I try to fit 100 Pokemon cards in one sleeve without breaking it. Yay! So, it's taken quite a while to get this one in, and I ripped a hole in the sleeve. Oh no, I bent the Pokemon card. I bent the Chinchou. To turn it around so because I can barely see its name. Ah! I hit the Gen 2 section. Let's try and fit as many items as we can. La 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 la. I say let it grow, let it grow, let it grow. Sorry, I just sang a song that might get me to copyright and get a strike on my channel. Oh no, I shouldn't have done that. No, I fully bent the Latios Spirit Link. No, I can't. It doesn't fit. Now I have a bent Latios Spirit Link. And that's what I'm going to put in here is this little, just like stick it in like that. No one knows it's in. Wow. Okay, the next card going in will not be the Latios Spirit Link because that broke. Kind of. Then, no. Okay. There's already 2 holes in the sleeve. We can continue going. No, I bent it again. It is really hard to get it in the sleeve. And now I have a bent Pokemon card. No! It's 30 minutes long, so I'm going to take this out. I'm going to end the video. Torchic Full Arts in the front. So it shows everyone just how strong it can be. Aha! Now, I must